Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Sabrina. I'm from Janatul Ma'wa. Today, I would like to show you guys how to make rice apam. So let's get started. The ingredients are 1 cup rice, 1.5 cups of water, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of rice flour, food coloring, small teaspoon of yeast, grated coconut, and salt. First, grind 1 cup rice with 1.5 cups of water. Then add 1 cup of brown sugar and grind until well combined. Mix 1 cup of wheat flour and 1 cup of rice flour into a bowl. After that, mix the first butter into the flour and stir it well. Divide the dough into 2 portions and pour the food coloring into each dough. Put a small teaspoon of yeast in each butter. Drain the butter for at least 3 hours. Wrap the mold with cooking oil so that it does not stick. Put the dough into the oil-soaked container. Cook for 15 minutes over medium heat. Mix grated coconut with a little salt to get a better taste. Finally, place the rice apam on a plate and sprinkle some of the grated coconut. Thanks for watching.